I saw you at Meat,
Yeah.
and now you're here again at Fat Drip. So I'm assuming that this is a reasonably local competition for you?
No. So, yeah, it's a 10-hour drive to get here.
Hey folks, Ben from Smoking Hot Confessions here, day one at Fat Drip here in the beautiful Barossa Valley. With me right now, I've got Sheepdog from Hannibal Injectors. Man, how are you enjoying the beautiful Barossa Valley?
Yeah, it's pretty good down here, man. It's beautiful weather and stuff. It's pretty warm. It doesn't look like it's warm, but it is actually 34 degrees in our tent right now, so it's crazy.
It is quite warm. I think I've brought the Queensland weather with me.
Oh, 100%. When you're coming from Torquay and it's freezing cold, this is, wow.
So you're from Torquay then, so I saw you at Meat,
Yeah.
and now you're here again at Fat Drip. So I'm assuming that this is a reasonably local competition for you?
No. So, yeah, it's a 10-hour drive to get here. And my teammates, they're from Horsham, so when we're cooking barbecue, we don't get to practice together, only in comps. So, yeah, we travel from here to there and join up and then get into it.
10-hour drive, so you can pick who failed geography at school then.
Yeah, I failed geography too, otherwise I'd have heaps of money, get a plane here and everything like that. Private chopper out in the paddock.
That'd be nice, wouldn't it?
Oh yeah, if only we could do that.
Yeah. So tell me about your SCA hand-ins today.
Yeah, so our hand-in today, we handed in a, what was it?
Waffles, mate.
They're salted, not a salted, that was the last one. I can't even think now. Sticky date waffles with a cream fresh, with a salted delishi, a caramelised bananas, and forgot to put the hazelnuts on there, so no hazelnut.
Oh, bummer. How did that happen?
Just not organised, under pressure with the time and stuff like that, so yeah, probably should have sorted out all my ingredients first to go in the box, and yeah, it just didn't happen.
Oh, well, you'll have learnt that lesson for next time then.
Yeah, well, that's it. You learn from your mistakes.
Yeah. So what are these guys preparing behind us now?
So Gaz here is preparing some pretty crazy stuff. He's got some Jalapeno Candy and making, what is it, Gaz?
It's a gourmet open dumpling. No, dim sim now.
Dim sim taco.
An open dim sim taco.
Yeah, pretty much. It was meant to be a dumpling, but yeah.
We couldn't find dumpling wrappers.
Things went a little bit pear-shaped.
As they always do.
So it's time to adjust and adapt and get a box handed in.
Yeah, sometimes you just got to roll with it.
That's it, yeah. You're better to hand in than not.
Yeah. So are you guys doing the ABA comp tomorrow as well?
Yeah, so we are doing the ABA. We've got all our meats trimmed and stuff in the boxes ready. We got our pits ready over here and things ready to go. So after we cook our steak, the last hand in, then we'll get ready to try and get ready for tonight and get it all going.
So tell me about the pork category. It's an open pork category. What cuts are you doing for that?
We're just going to run with the standard pork butts, really, and try and put in some money muscles, but they're a little bit small, so we'll see how they turn out, and try and get some bacon in there and bits and pieces, and yeah, should be good.
Very cool, man. Very nice. And just quickly run me through the different smokers you got here, because you've got a whole bunch of different barbecues there.
Yeah, we've got a little Weber GA. We've got a homemade drum smoker, which we call it a $20 piece of, you know what. And then we've got a Gateway drum smoker. We've got an arc smoker. We've got a pellet smoker as well. We just cook on a whole different variety of things. So just to try and get it through, really.
So do you divide the different proteins up between the different ones because they cook better in a particular smoker?
Yeah, we like to think that they cook different. So yeah, we have a briskets in one and then pork in others, chicken in the other ones and things and stuff like that. So just try and make it a bit easier for us and not try and mix up the flavours.
Sure. So was that chicken in the pellet? Was that what you're just pointing at?
Yeah, the chicken will go in the pellet. That's right.
And then the $20 UDS?
Yeah, the $20 UDS, that will have the pork ribs and
the arc?
The arc will have the pork butts, and the Gateway will have the brisket. And then we'll, when one of them comes out, we'll put the lamb into the other ones. The lamb and the drums, they don't take real long. We're talking like 20 minutes.
Oh, wow. Very cool.
That's pretty quick.
Yeah.
You got to be on the ball.
All right, well, it looks like you're about ready to box up here for your open dim sim taco dumplings.
Good. Hang around and you'll probably get to have a taste.
Mate, I absolutely will. Best of luck with it, and thanks for taking the time out to talk to me.
Thank you very much. Enjoy. Enjoy your day.